Want to create amazing PPT animations like this? Let's learn step by step. Step 1. First of all, take a blank page in PowerPoint. Step 2. Now go to the Insert tab. Select a square shape and adjust it according to the page size. Step 3. After that, insert a text box and type your text inside it. Step 4. Now select both the shape and the text. Then go to Shape Format and align them properly. Step 5. Next, insert another text box. Type your text again and change the fonts to make the design look more attractive. Step 6. Now, select all three elements together and merge them properly. Step 7. After that, insert your first image and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Step 8. Adjust the image according to the page size and send it to the back. Step 9. Now insert second image. And keep their aspect ratio at 16:9 as well. Step 10. Adjust both images according to the page and place them side by side. Step 11. Next, go to Shapes and insert a rectangle shape, then adjust it properly. Step 12. Now move both images near the rectangle shape and select them together. Step 13. Go to the Animations tab and apply the Lines animation. Step 14. Then open Effect Options. Change the direction to left and set the duration to 6 seconds. Step 15. Now select the red arrow and drag it carefully to the rectangle path. Step 16. Do the same with the image and drag it till the red arrow point carefully. Step 17. After that, Select the square shape and apply a shadow effect for a smooth and professional look. Step 18. And finally, your amazing cinematic animation is ready. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.